this with our internet. So we just put it in record para doon na lang ilalagay mo itong building activities natin for this day. March, I mean, 16. 16. Tapos na yung 8 and So, so good morning everyone. But before we start our reading and practical activities, maybe all stand for a short prayer.
Let's pray. In the name of the Father, the Son, and the Holy Spirit. Amen. Heavenly Father, we come to you today asking for guidance, wisdom, and support as we begin this reading and reading activity. Help us to engage in meaningful discussion, allow us to grow closer as a group, and nurture the bonds of community. Help us to be good examples of honesty, integrity, justice, and discipline. Fill us with your grace, Lord God, as we make decisions that might affect the officials, employees, and clients of DPWH. And continue to remind us that all we do here today, all that we accomplish, is for the pursuit of truth, for your greater glory, and for the service of humanity. We ask these things in Jesus' name. Amen.
So, okay, good morning again to also to our viewers this time because we are on record na lang siguro. So, certainly we just have to upload after the video na lang siguro kung may open na yung internet natin. So, but before we start our private activities, so surgeon is here to record the attendance. Okay. So, good morning to everybody. Today is May 16, 2024. Our activity, procurement activity today will be private on 6 civil works project and 1 and we followed by bidding of 9 civil works project. For our contract, hello. For our contractors who are present for today, we have JW Construction and Supply, Camberwell Construction and Supply, Jera Construction Incorporated, the Limitless Engineering, Civil Engineering, and Infinity Construction Development Corporation. We have also Adelia Construction. For the technical personnel from the planning and design section, we have Judy De La Peña, Jefferson Villaros, Cyrus Alvarez, Dexter Rodriguez, and Jenson Victorio. For our TWG members, we have Ma'am Ayla and Ma'am Cyrus Alvarez. For the back secretariat, we have Chelsea Tolentino and Ma'am Emily Lopez, and yours truly, Federico Parawan Jr. For the back members, we have Madam Peña Plancha Cavite, Engineer Emilio Machas, our Vice Chairman, Lina Rotino Nova, and our Chairman, Engineer Cavite. For the record, sir, we have the forum. We may now start the activity. So, thank you, Surgeon. So, based on the attendance, we have a forum. So, we will start now with our daily activities. So, we have 6 projects for our prayer meeting today. We will start with contract ID 24BG0154. This is a convergence SSP project at the Lipa, the Tito Solid Construction of the Lipa Bridge. So, one side.
Good morning. So for the activity project, contact ID 24BG0194 with the project name Convergence and Special Support Program, Basic Infrastructure Program, access roads and or bridges from the national roads leading to major strategic public buildings or facilities, construction of the Lipa Bridge, Barangay Tanipa, Permitos Oliven, Isabela, with with an appropriation of 10 million, with a total project duration of 160 calendar days. For the scope of works, bridge at the Lipa, it is a two-span, 15-meter RCBG bridge, two lanes with a total width of 9.54 meters and a total length of 31 meters back to back of backwall. Construction of 6 units of 1 meter diameter board pipe at abutments secured with length of 30 meters each, with 10 MMT permanent casing at 12-meter length for each board pipe. 1 unit of 1.3 meter by 1.7 meter by 7.6 meter length of coping at Pier 1, 2 units of coping at abutments A and B, 1 meter width by 9 meter length with 1.365 meter height only construction joint with 100 mm clean concrete, includes gravel frameway and with RCPC. That's all. Thank you.
Okay, thank you, Matsai. So it was first that contractors willing to participate in this contract if it's construction. As Solidet, you have the rights to ask questions or clarifications. So, wala po. So, you just put it in letters, i-address nyo lang sa back or go into the document regarding that. So, wala po kayong clarification. So, we proceed now for the next project, which is 24BD0155. This is a CSSP steel project, a multipurpose building at Government Center in Marcel Isabela.
Good morning po. For the contract ID 24BG0155, Convergence Special Support Program, Basic Infrastructure Program, Multipurpose Buildings and Facilities to support social services, construction of multipurpose building municipal government center, Barangay Napangko Pequeño, Lane number 7, Isabela. Appropriation of 15 million, total project duration of 198 calendar days. Scope of work, construction of generator, room, concrete moldings, and finishing works. Installation of water tanks and pumps and electrical works for energization of the building. So, something.
So, thank you, Ma'am Judy. No clarification, ha? You can just try and raise your left hand if you have questions. So, wala po. So, we will now proceed for 24BG0160. This is still a CSSP project, Convergence and Special Support Program, a multipurpose building at Barangay San Sebastian. So, that's
Good morning, everyone. For contract ID 2030-0160, Convergence and Special Support Program, Basic Infrastructure Program, Multipurpose Building Facilities to support social services, construction completion of multipurpose building, community center at Barangay San Sebastian, Ramon Isabela, with a total appropriation of 3 million pesos and a total project duration of 121 calendar days. Scope of works, construction of the stage, including comfort rooms and dressing rooms, installation of electrical works, and installation of plumbing works. Thank you.
so that is so wala akong questions. So we will now proceed for the next contract ID 24BG0161. This is still a convergence and special support program, a multipurpose building at Barangay Songsong, Umong Isabela. To be discussed by the Sergeant Sam.
Good morning. For contract ID 24BG0161, project name Convergence and Special Support Program, Basic Infrastructure Program, Multipurpose Building Facilities to support social services construction of multipurpose building, Barangay Songsong, Gamang Isabela. For the project location, Barangay Songsong, Gamang Isabela, under the action 2024 CNSP with a total appropriation of 7 million and a total project duration of 160 calendar days. For the scope of works, construction of barangay hall includes all footings, all beams, all.
Okay, thank you, sir. So, question, clarification? So proceed po tayo sa next contract, 24BG 0162, CSSP Project Convergence Marine Multipurpose Building at Barangay Kangalan, San Mariano, Isabela. So, to be discussed by Ma'am Julie.
Good morning po. For the contract ID 24BG0162, Convergent and Special Support Program, Basic Infrastructure Program, Multipurpose Buildings or Facilities to Support Social Services, Construction Continuation, Multipurpose Building, Barangay Gangalan, San Mariano, Isabela. With an appropriation of 2.5 million, total project duration of 117 calendar days. Scope of work, construction of 4 spans of roofing works and 4 units of stabilized column with 0.8-meter height embankment and masonry works. That's all. Thank you.
Thank you, Ma'am Julie. So, wala po tayo ano? Sa mga contractors are interested for this. So, wala po kasi we are not online, no? So we now proceed for the next contract, 24BG0163, Convergence, still CSSP and Special Support Program, Multipurpose Building at Aliao, Sullivan. So to be discussed by Ma'am Jetal.
Good morning, everyone. The last project to be discussed is the contract ID 24BG0163, the project name, Convergence and Special Support Program, Basic Infrastructure Program (BIP), Multipurpose Buildings, Facilities to Support Social Services, Construction Completion of Multipurpose Building, Barangay Baliao, Benito Seven, Isabela. Location, Barangay Baliao, Benito Seven, Isabela, with a total appropriation of 4 million. Source of fund, JAA 2024 CSSP BIP, with a total project duration of 142 calendar days. The scope of work are construction of floorings, 18 by 25 meters, construction of a stage, includes dressing room and comfort room, installation of electrical works, and installation of plumbing works. Thank you.
Thank you, Sir Joanne. So we have other contract under this is good, 24BGG03, and with the whole name of procurement of construction materials, these are goods. So anyone who will discuss this, so architect Tom. So try to explain this, yung mga gusto participate this. So,
Good morning po. Contract ID 24GBG03, procurement of construction materials for improvement of daycare building and stockage of various materials for maintenance with various building on DPWH. Isabela 3rd District Engineering Office, Barangay Tagaran, Kawayan City, Isabela. As scope of work, procurement of construction materials and improvement of our daycare building. ABC is 2,270,441 and 32 centavos. And a contract duration of 45 calendar days. That's all, Mr. Chair.
okay, thank you, architect. So that ends our activities for goods and for civil works. So kung may gusto pa kayong tanungin, you are now open to ask questions or clarifications, pero pag wala na, and we will proceed it for the bidding activities for various projects. So wala po kayong tanong. So, okay, thank you for all these technical persons to discuss the activities or items of work to be done by this project. So, thank you. So, we will now proceed for the bidding activities, Sergeant, ano? Yes, sir. So, we have 9 projects to be bid today. So, we will start it first for the project under contract ID 24BG0115, AO2. Yeah, BG0115. Okay. So this is an O2 flood control projects and this is construction Pinakaluan River Control Project at Barangay Malungo, Benito, Sullivan.
We have two bidder here and the name of JWU Construction and Supply and Road and Grading. So ito lang po ang participate. So we can now open the envelope of the two bidders. So with the help of Ma'am Myla and Ma'am June. So first we will try to read into the where the bid proposal. This is the envelope of Road and Grading and Development Service. Under contract 24 BT 0115, the date received is May 16, 2024 at 8:38 a.m. This is sealed and signed. And the other one is the JW Construction under contract 24 BT 0115. Receipt date is May 16, 2024 at 8:20 a.m. So you can now open the envelope. You can just raise your hand or you could express on what.
In the chair, meeting to you to the technical of JW Construction Supply and Road Edge Building and Development Group.
Okay, thank you, ma'am. So who will raise your hand? It's right. Okay.
Grading and development and test and here what happened. Where the technical component from where the technical component of product grading and development and testing. Contract ID 24 00115. Where the big security, the cost of big security declaration, designed by the authorized ranking officer, Rayan Willie DB, and authorized by Attorney Rodrigo Merigo. Where the organizational chart to design, the key personnel to design, the list of equipment to the contract to design, and the obligate thought statement be complete 10 process to design and notarized by Attorney Rodrigo Merigo. After review, all the pages are delivered.
Thank you, sir. Therefore, Road Edge Building and Development Services, based on its technical documents for 24 BT 0115 is compliant.
Thank you, Ma'am Jo. Where the bidder, the contract ID 24 BG 0115, where the big security, the cost of big security declaration, to design by the authorized managing officer, Jan Piston DB, and notarized by Attorney Rodrigo Merigo. Where the organization of chart design, where the key personnel to design. The list of equipment to design and the only goal statement with completed process to design and notarized by Attorney Rodrigo Meritos. After review, all the pages are verified.
Thank you, sir. And the report JW Construction Supply based on its technical documents for 24 BT 0115 is compliant.
Okay, thank you, Sir Eli and Ma'am Jobs. So we will now proceed for the next contract ID 24 BG 0116. Still an OO2 flood control project. This will construct the lugar ng Pinakanawan River, Barangay Ikabisagan. Ikabisagan, this is in Palanan, Isabela. So we have two bidder here and the name of Road Edge Trading and Development Service, MAP Construction, is a joint venture, and JWU Construction and Supply. So I have now the bid proposal of JWU Construction. The bid received is marked May 16, 24 at 8:20 a.m. Sealed, signed. And the other one is the MAP Construction Supply. The date received is May 16 at 8:38 a.m. Sealed, signed.
Mr. Chair, submitting to you the original technical proposal of Road Edge Trading and Development Services and GWU Construction
So MAP is right. So I make it here.
Good morning, everyone. We have here the technical requirements of our two leaders for contract item number 2 for DD 0116. First is the Road Edge Trading and Development Services. We have here the bid security, the form of bid security declaration, signed by Maureen Velasco, authorized managing officer, and duly authorized by Attorney Rodrigo Rivos. We have here the organizational chart signed, the list of key personnel, all pages signed, the list of equipment, all pages signed, and the omnibus storm statement with 10 clauses complete, signed by Maureen Velasco, General Manager, and duly authorized by Attorney Rodrigo. So we have here the pickup license of the two leaders, which is a joint venture, Road Edge Trading and MAP Construction Supply.
Thank you, Ma'am Pinky. Therefore, Road Edge Trading and Development Services and MAP Construction Supply Joint Venture based on its technical documents for 24 BG 0116 is compliant.
Okay, thank you, Manjo. For our last leader, JWU Construction and Supplies, we have here the bid security in the form of bid security declaration signed by Johnston Levy, authorized managing officer, and duly authorized by Attorney Rodrigo Rivos. We have here the organizational chart signed, the list of key personnel, all pages signed, the list of equipment signed, and the omnibus storm statement with 10 copies complete, signed by John Winston Lee, General Manager, and duly authorized by Attorney Rodrigo.
Thank you, Ma'am Pinky. Therefore, JWU Construction and Supply is a technical document for 24 BG 0116 is compliant.
Okay, thank you, Ma'am. Again, okay. So we will now proceed for the next contract ID 24 BD 0146. Concreting of Burgos San Francisco Farm to Market Product, Burgos Isabela. We have two leader here, the name of Limitless Civil Engineering Construction and JWU Construction. So we have the envelope of Limitless orange. This receipt date is March 16, 2040 a.m. Civil site. And the other one is the JWU. The receipt date is May 16, 24 at 8:40 a.m. Same site. Okay, you can now open the enclosure.
Mr. Chair, submitting to you the original technical proposal of the Limitless Civil Engineering Construction and JW Construction and Supply for 24 PG 0143.
Okay, wait, you want to and I'll give it to Sarah because the microphone is already on.
Thank you, Mr. Chairman. Okay, that will be the component of John's GW construction. The first requirement will be the security for skill direction, signed by John Preston DP, and duly authorized by Tony Samuel Corpus, the organization chart, design, the key personnel, sign the project, design, business contract, design, and the last requirement, the company cost statement, signed by John Preston DP, project manager, authorized by Tony Samuel Corpus. Review. All the statements are released.
Thank you, Sir Roy. Therefore, JW Construction and Supply, based on its technical documents for 24 PG 0146 is compliant.
Another perspective is what if you have the units included in somewhere, use the technical component. First partner, and that will be security declaration signed by Jose Pablo Mo, yeah, and duly authorized by Tony Alexander, and then the organization chart, single design, the personnel, project, and the major equipment, contract also to design. And the last format, the universal statement, signed by Senator Yeah, and duly authorized by Attorney Santo I. Review. All the pages are released.
Thank you, Sir Roy. Therefore, the Limitless Civil Engineering Construction, based on its technical documents for 24 PG 0146 is compliant.
Okay, thank you, Sir Roy. Thank you, Ma'am Jude. So we will now proceed for the next project. I want, yeah. This is 24 BD 0147 concreting at Buyas. I don't know. The 24 BD 0148 concreting of Barangay Disulong Tibuluan, Pardo Market Road is 147 ba yan? The limitless kanina, JW ba yung kanina? Okay, sorry. So 24 BG 0147 concreting of Barangay Buyasan, Salan. to market po yan sa Mariano. We have two bidders, one city builders and AG Construction. So we have only one bidder who grabbed this envelope. So yung teams wala. So, sir, is there any from the procurement secretary? So, take note of this. Put that on record. So, this is May 16, 24. This is YCA. YCA. Okay. We will continue. So, there is a letter, pero when this put on the this record, kasi Agi na there is some problem regarding city documents. So, parang we'll give this to the to the secretariat then Sir June, try to review it, look for the document regarding this because there is a letter from the AG. Yes, sir. So we'll try to look na natin kung so okay, continue.
Mr. Chair, submitting to you the original technical proposal of YCD Builders for 24 PG 0147.
So okay.
The parents in contribution to one of the technical of quite years. The document on which we are declaration. This is signed by Maria Rodriguez, General Ryan, authorized by Attorney Elisa Condemne. We are there then possession of project contribute time. Video design that design. The dashboard from the statement signed by Maria Rodriguez and duly authorized by Attorney Elisa Condemne. This review on the pages are
Thank you, Sir Roy. Therefore, YCD Builders based on expected document for 24 PG 0147 is compliant.
So okay, thank you, sir. Thank you, sir. So we have only one bidder for that project because the other one has withdrawn. So we will look for it. So we will now proceed for the next project, which is 24 BD 0148, completing of Barangay Disulot Tibul 1, Disulot San Mariano. We have only one bidder here for AGE construction. And the date received is May 16, 24 at 8:30 p.m. Same site, so you can open it.
Mr. Chair, submitting to you the original technical proposal of each construction for 24 PG 0148.
for the funding ID 12 is it the technical component of AGE construction? Then Signed by Manta Gracia T. Bautista. General Manager, notarized by 50%. We sign the major campus of the constitution sign. And the approval statement signed by Manta Gracia T. You want to read it sign.
Thank you, Sir Roy. Therefore, AGE construction based on its technical document for 24 PG 0148 is compliant.
Okay, thank you, Sir Roy. Thank you, Ma'am Jobs. So we will now proceed for contract 24 BG 0153. This is a concreting of Burgos Park Market, Asia Isabela. We have four bidder here in the name of JW Construction, JERA, ARDJB, V Construction, and RN Construction Supply. So, ilan yan? So we have only three envelopes. So we just so the first envelope is RN Construction. Receipt date is May 16, 24 at 8:37. See? And the other one is the date receipt for Jera Construction is May 16 at 8:36 a.m. same site. And the other one is the JWU Construction, and date receipt is May 16 at 8:40 a.m. same. So ARDJ Invitation and Grant. So we will look for the reason for this. So may one siya na mali or something, we will not accept it. So
Mr. Chair, submitting to you the original technical proposal of Jera Construction Inc., JW Construction Supply, and RN Construction and Construction Supply.
so we have only three. So secondly, thank you, Mr. Chair and Master. We have the technical component of RN Construction and Construction Supply. Contract ID 24 BG 01. The executive report of the during the installation to design by the under Robert N.R. and not held by Attorney Eden Ibarwan Stella. And the organization of charge to design. And the Inspector General to decide the list of equipment will decide. And the only vote is statement will decide and notarized by Attorney Eden Bartachena. The review all the pages are to decide.
Is there any, therefore, are on construction based on its technical documents for 24 TG 0153 is compliant.
And the next leader, Ramilton Dewey, contract ID 24BT 0153, and the bid security report of bid security declaration, to decide by the project manager, Jan Liston Dewey, and notarized by Attorney Anika Joy Kalagi. That the organizational chart you decide, and the teachers will have to decide. And the list of equipment you decide. And the only vote from the statement, consistent process to decide and notarized by Attorney Anika Joy Kalagi. The review all the pages are to decide.
Thank you, Sir Eddie. Therefore, JW Construction and Supply, based on its technical documents for 24 PG 0153 is compliant.
You know, that the last period, General Construction Incorporated, contract ID 24 PG 0153, then the security report of the during the generation, you decide the one is basic R Ragata and notarized by Attorney Roberto M. Ramos. Then the organizational chart, you decide the list of personnel to decide. Then the list of equipment to decide. The only vote from the statement to decide and notarized by Attorney Roberto M. Ramos. The review all the pages are to decide.
Thank you, Sir Eddie. Therefore, JERA Construction Incorporated, based on its technical documents for 24 PG 0153 is compliant.
Okay, thank you, General Matias and Ma'am Rubin. So, we now proceed for the next contract, IG 24, 23. This is 23. So, Sir Jun? Yes, sir. 2023. So, may 2023 pa tayo dito? Yes, sir. So, yung mga dar natin, ito no? So, 23 BB01231, construction ng completing of Panawag Makinyaw, back to market road. With box for Barangay Nawag, ang naganan sa Bela. We have two bidder here, the Infinity Construction Development for N84. So, I am now getting so maybe acknowledge the presence of Executive Council, Engineer Matt and viewers also. You're awesome. So from that, let's you for attending our meeting. Invitation namin sa Thank you. Then the other one is this is the envelope of ADD Construction Development Corporation. Received is May 16 at 8:56 a.m. Same time. And the other one is Infinity. Infinity receive date is May 16 at 8:50 a.m. Same time.
Mr. Chair, proceeding to the original technical proposal of ADDA Construction and Development Corporation and Infinity Construction and Development Corporation for contract 23BG0231.
We have here the technical requirements of our two bidders for contract ID number 23BT0231. Our first bidder is the Infinity Construction and Development Corporation. For its bid security, we have here the form of bid securing declaration signed by Jesse Pilakpay, President, and duly notarized by Attorney Elizardo del Mendo. We have here the organizational chart signed, the list of key personnel, all pages signed, the list of equipment, all pages signed, and the on-source statement with 10 copies complete, signed by Jesse Pilakpay, President, and duly notarized by Attorney Elizardo I. del Mendo.
Thank you, Ma'am Pinky. Therefore, Infinity Construction and Development Corporation, based on its technical document for 23BG0231, is compliant.
Thank you, Ma'am Jo. For our last bidder, the ADDA Construction and Development Corporation, we have heard the bid security in the form of bid securing declaration signed by Armando Enriquilla, President, and duly notarized by Attorney Manuel Fernandez. We have heard the organizational chart signed, the list of key personnel, all pages signed, the list of equipment signed, and the omnibus source statement with 10 copies complete, signed by Armando Enriquilla, President, and duly notarized by Attorney Manuel Fernandez.
Thank you, Ma'am Pinky. Therefore, ADDA Construction and Development Corporation, based on its technical documents for 23BG0231, is compliant.
Thank you, Ma'am Pinky and Ma'am Judy. So we will now proceed for the other contract. 23BG0232, construction of road Sitio Malaya, Barangay Binato, Barangay Kangalan, Banto Market, Barangay Kangalan, Binato, San Mariano, Isabela. We have two bidders here, the name of YZK Builders and Camberwell Construction Supplies. So you can now open the envelope. So in the help of our DWG, so ilabas na yung envelope nila. So we have Camberwell Construction, the envelope we received is May 16 at 8:26 a.m. sealed sign. And the other one is the YZK, the receipt date is May 16 at 8:12 a.m. sealed sign. So you can now open the envelope.
Mr. Chair, submitting to you the original technical proposal of YCK Builders and Camberwell Construction and Supplies for contract 24BG0232.
Okay, thank you, Ma'am. Nice, so sir, ready? Mr. Chair and Ma'am.
And the original technical component of Camberwell Construction and Supply, contract ID 24BB0232.
security report of security declaration to be signed by the authorized party of the health West M. Rodriguez and notarized by Attorney Elitardo L. Del Mendo, I. Del Mendo. Where the organization of church to sign the list of personnel to design, the list of equipment to design, and the onboard policy statement to design, notarized by Attorney Alejandro I. Del Mendo, and peer review, all the pages are duly signed.
Thank you, Sir Eli. Therefore, Camberwell Construction and Supplies, based on its technical document for 23 PG 3232 is compliant.
The next bidder was a builder, contract ID 23 PG 0232. Where the big security report of the security declaration duly signed by the general manager, Maria Lloyd Tico, and notarized by Attorney Elitar I. Del Mendo. At the organization of church to sign, the papers to sign, the list of equipment to sign, and the only post of statement to sign and notarized by Attorney Militar Idel Mendo and peer review, all the pages are to sign.
Thank you, Sir Eli. Therefore, YMCA Builders, based on its technical document for 23 PG 0232 is compliant.
Okay, thank you, sir. And thank you, Ma'am Sai. So we go now to the last for our technical. And you open. The contract ID 23 BT0233. This is a concreting of new Villaluz Gomez Farm Market at Barangay Villaluz Gomez Benito Sonia. So we have to be there here, the name of Jose K. Builders and the other one. GRA. So I have the envelope of the Jose K. The date received is May 16 at 8:12 p.m. Sealed, signed. And the other one is the GR8 Builders Construction. So the date received is May 16 at 8:39 p.m. Sealed, signed. So you can comment.
Mr. Chair, beginning to you the original technical proposal of YCT Builders and GRE Builders Construction for 23 PG 0231.
Okay, we have here the technical requirements of our two bidders for contract ID number 23BG0233. First is the GR8 Builders Construction. We have here the bid security in the form of bid security declaration signed by Mon Christopher F. Castillo, manager, and duly notarized by Attorney Ricardo Del Mendo. We have here the organizational chart signed, the list of key personnel, all pages signed, the list of equipment, all pages signed, and the omnibus source statement with the envelope complete, signed by Mon Christopher F. Castillo, manager, and duly notarized by Attorney Elidardo Del Mendo.
Thank you, Ma'am Pinky. Therefore, GR8 Builders Construction, based on its technical documents for 23 PG 0233 is compliant.
Juhamjo, our last leader, UYZK builders. We agree with security in the form of the security declaration signed by Maria Loida Cruz, General Manager, and duly notarized by Attorney Zardo Del Mendo. We agree the organization of charge sign, the list of key personnel, all pages signed, the list of equipment, all pages signed, and the omnibus fund statement is then voted complete, signed by Maria Loida Cruz, Managing Officer, and duly authorized by Attorney Eduardo Hernandez.
Thank you, ma'am. Indeed, therefore, by the builders, based on its technical documents for 23 PG, 0233 is compliant.
So, okay, thank you, Ma'am Vicky, and Jobs, that ends our one opening of technical envelope for those contractors. So we will proceed now for the financial. So we will start first for this 2023 projects kasi I have already the result of their contract profile processing. So we will start the contract ID 23BG021. But before we open their financial, I just want to read the ABC of this contract under 23BG0231. The ABC is 19,402,495.07. So this is a construction of Banlawan, Kanyao, Mark-to-Market Road with box culvert. So I have the result of the technical and financial for two contractors under the name of Infinity Construction Development Corporation, and the other one is ADGIA Construction Development Corporation. So the result for their technical and financial first for Infinity Construction, the work experience in NFCC for both category, the result pass for Infinity, and the other one is ADBia Construction. Also, the work experience in NFCC for both category, the result pass. So we can now open their financial. They are eligible for this one.
Mr. Chair, submitting to you the original financial proposal of ADEO Construction and Infinity Construction for 23 BG 0231.
So if you have June, sorry, then 23, yeah. So we try to, this is 20. So okay. Okay, 23 now. So this is a clerical error. So outside the error, it's not part of the. So the document is 20. So okay. So certainly, I will give you the for contract for those contract. And the actual document of Infinity Construction and Development Corporation. The contract ID 23BD error 231. Where the bid form will sign the bid of quantities to decide. So detailed estimate will decide. And where the summary will decide. And the cash by quarter time. Per review, all the pages are decided.
Thank you, Sir Eli. Therefore, Infinity Construction, based on its financial documents for 23 PG 0231 is compliant. You may now proceed with the bid offers.
The bid offer of Infinity Construction and Development Corporation worth 19,393,093,009 and
pesos and 21 centavos. In figures, 19, 393, 009.21. The next figure in Iliya Construction and Development Corporation, contract ID 23BG0231. Have the bid form, your time, have the bill of quantities to decide. Have the bid price to decide. Have the detailed estimate to decide. And the cash flow by quarter to decide. After review, all the pages are to decide.
Thank you, Sir Eli. Therefore, idea construction based on its financial documents for 23 PG 0231 is compliant. You may now proceed with the bid offer, sir.
It was 19 million 400,280 pesos and 32 centavos. In figure, 19, 400, 280.30.
So, okay, thank you, Sir Alvin. Thank you, Ma'am. And Ma'am Jo. So we now proceed for the next contract ID 23BG0282. This is a construction of Sitio Malaya Barangay. Pinatog ng nalang pinatog sa Marianis. So I have the result for the technical and financial aspect. So So I have to read first the ABC of this contract, particularly BG0232. The ABC is 29,849,993.70. So I have the result for the technical and financial or both contractor, Camberwell Construction and Supplies. Based on their work experience in MCC, both category the result pass. And the other one is the YZK, the technical and financial work experience in MCC for both category the result pass. So two are qualified or eligible for this one.
Mr. Chair, submitting to you the original financial proposal of Camberwell Construction and Supply and YZK Builders for 23 PG 023.
So I'm thinking
Mr. Chair, I have here the financial requirement of our two bidders for 23BG 0232. Our first bidder, YZK Builders. We have here the bid form signed by Maria Loida Cruz, manager. We have here the bill of quantities. All pages signed. The summary of bid prices signed. The detailed estimate. All pages signed. The summary sheet signed. And the cash flow by quarter signed.
Thank you, Ma'am Pinky. Therefore, YZK Builders, based on its financial documents for 23 PG 0232 is compliant. You may now proceed with the bid offer, ma'am.
Thank you, Ma'am Jo. For the bid offer of YPK Builders in words, 29,844,020 pesos and 32 centavos. In figures, 29, 844, 020.32. There is no discount offered. Our last bidder, Camberwell Construction and Supplies. We have here the form signed by Grace and Rodriguez, the bill of quantities, all pages signed, the detailed estimate, all pages signed, the summary sheet, all pages signed, and the cash flow by quarter signed.
Thank you, Ma'am Pinky. Therefore, Camberwell Construction and Supply, based on its financial documents for 23 PG 0232 is compliant. You may now proceed with the bid offer, ma'am.
Thank you, Ma'am Jo, for the bid offer of Camberwell Construction in words, 29,828,696 pesos and 44 centavos. In figures, 29, 828, 696.44. There is no discount also.
Thank you, Ma'am Pinky. June. So we proceed now for the next contract under contract ID 23 BG 0223, concreting of Villaluz, New Villaluz Gomez, Park to Market Road, Barangay Villaluz Gomez, Benito Soliven. So I read the ABC of this contract. The ABC of this contract is 14,924,997.40. So we have two bidder here, the name of YZK and GRA Filters. I have the result for their technical and financial. So for YZK, the work experience, and NCC for both category, the result pass. And the other one is also GRA Builders Construction, the technical and financial, the work experience, and NCC for both categories pass. So we can now open the contract.
Mr. Chair, submitting to you the original financial proposal of YCP Builders and GR8 Builders Construction for 23 PG 0233.
Okay, thank you, Ma'am Jules. That's all right.
Maybe the component of computers, then one Christopher Masili, what is design. Summary of social design. Space. Design. It has requirement the last go by quarter schedule. One is to review all the figures are included.
Thank you, Sir Roy. Therefore, GR8 Builders Construction, based on its financial documents for 23 PG 0233 is compliant. You may now proceed with the bid offer, sir.
The bid offer costs 40,904,647 pesos and gold centavos. Figures 14, 904, 647.1. Another expected as a component of our computers. We have been the bid for the San Maria Longa de Cruz. We have got the opportunities of the site like Maria. It's a top line. Detailed estimates. Science. Some of the price test. Design. And the last requirement is up to recorder. The design very much again. All higher basic group. You, all the pages.
Thank you, Sir Roy. Therefore, by the game builder, based on its financial document for 23 PG, the 233 is compliant. You may now proceed with the bid offer, sir.
Bid offer involves 40,922,000 21 pesos. 8 centavos trabajo. It work in figures 14, 922, 021.08. So, okay, thank you, sir.
Bihira kasi nagagamit yan sa iyo. Yeah, I think that is everyday. So, sometimes, thank you for advance. That is the last project for our projects, no? So, salamat tayo dito sa bisita natin from the guitar. So, thank you, sir. Kasi we will proceed for the 24 project, which is our regular. So, Sir Jun, ikot na lang si Sir na thank you, sir. Thank you very much, sir, for attending the yung invitation namin. So, we will now proceed for our regular projects. Kasi yun yung mga regular projects namin. So, we will now proceed for our 2024 projects, which is under contract ID 24BG011. I have already the result. So we will now proceed for our 24 project, year 24 projects BG011. This is a regular projects under contract description 002. This is a plant control at Malunong. So I have the result for the contract profile processing. So the APC of this contract is 96,499,998.37. So we have two bidder here under the name of Rodets Trading and Development Service and the JWU Construction. So I have the result for their technical and financial. First, for Rodets Trading and Development Corporation, for work experience and MCC, for both category, the result passed. And the other one, under the name of JWU Construction and Supply, and the technical and financial, work experience and MCC, for both category, also passed. So, two contractor are eligible for this. So, we can now open the financial.
Mr. Chair, submitting to you the original financial proposal of GW Construction and Supply and Road Edge Training and Development Services for 24BG0115.
So, Sir Roy, tingnan mo. Upan na yan. Diretso na yan.
Oo, nag-aanta pa eh.
Kasi we are on record.
Continue. And then the financial component of Rodets action. Here is the report signed by Ryan Willie B. General Manager, Summary Brightness, also to signed by the manager, the bill of quantity, Julie signed, Tito is Simon, also to design, and the last requirement, the last global order and payment account, it is signed by Ryan Willie B. Let's review. All the pages are duly signed.
Thank you, Sir Roy. Therefore, Road Edge Trading and Development Services, based on the financial documents for 24BG0115 is compliant. You may now proceed with the bid offer, sir.
Bid offer worth 96,492,000
480 pesos and 68 centavos. Figures 96, 492, 480.68. Unexpected efforts of project will be as a component of GW Constructions. There will be report signed by John Winston P. the General Manager, summary with president, the Center Manager, the bill of quantities, which will be designed, the income distribution, which will be designed, the last quarter page schedule, signed by John Winston P. General Manager. Review all the pages are changes.
Thank you, Sir Roy. Therefore, GW Construction and Supply, based on its financial documents for 24BG0115 is compliant. You may now proceed with the bid offer soon.
The bid offer of GW Construction towards 96,480,636 pesos and 72 centavos. The figures 96, 480, 636.72.
Okay, thank you, Sir Roy. So we now proceed for the next contract ID. I have the result for the contract profile processing. For contract ID 24BG0116, this is an O2 flood control project at Ikapisanan West, Ginalco Drive, Palanan, Sabela. So I will read the ABC of this contract. The ABC is 96,499,997.90. So we have two bidder here under the name of Construction, which is a joint venture with Rodex Trading and Development Services, and JWU Construction. So the result of their technical and financial for the joint venture, the work experience and FCC for both category pass, and the other one, the JWU Construction for work experience and FCC for both category pass. So the two are qualified and they are ready for this, so you can have your financial.
Mr. Chair, submitting to you the original financial proposal of JW Construction and Supply and Road Edge Trading and Development Services and Mud Construction Supply joint venture for project 24BG0116.
Okay, thank you, ma'am. So, Mr. Chair and Ma'am Job, where the component of road trading and development services with NMAP construction, supply and power development. The contract ID 24BG0112. 116. Where the form to design the bid quantity in the quantities to design. The detailed estimate to design and the capital by quarter to design. As per review, all the pages are to design.
Thank you, Sir Amy. Therefore, Road Edge Trading and Development Services and MAP Construction Supply joint venture based on its financial documents for 24BG0116 is compliant. You may now proceed with the bid offer, sir.
The bid offer of Road Edge Trading and Development Services and MAP Construction Supply and Power Development joint venture. Where the bid offer involves 96,480,686 pesos and 72 centavos. In figures, 96, 480, 686.72. The next bidder JW Construction and Supply, contract ID 24BB0116. We have the bid form to sign. We have the bill of quantities to decide. We have the detailed estimate to decide and the cash flow by quarter to decide. As per review, all the agents are to decide.
Thank you, Sir Eli. The report JW Construction and Supply, based on its financial documents for 24 PG 0116 is compliant. You may now proceed with the bid offer, sir.
The bid offer of JW Construction and Supply in worth 96,490,355 pesos and 52 centavos. In figures, 96, 490, 355.50. So, na-afford na. And na-put pa sa record yung bill nila. Thank you. So we will now proceed for the next contract. Under contract ID 24BG0146, completing at Burgos, San Francisco, Farm to Market Road, Barangay Burgos, Aliso. The ABC of this contract is 14,924,994.88. So we have two bidder here in the name of DW Construction and the Limitless Engineering Construction. I have the result for their contract profile processing. Based on their technical and financial aspect, the JW Construction and Supply work experience and also the NFCC for both category pass. And the other one for their technical and financial work experience and NFCC of the Limitless Civil Engineering also for both category pass. So we can now open the envelope for the financial for these two contracts.
Mr. Chair, submitting to you the original financial proposal of JW Construction and Supply and the Limitless Civil Engineering Construction for 24 PG 0146.
Thank you, Mr. Chair. We have the financial requirements of our two bidders for contract ID number 24BG0146. First, the Limitless Civil Engineering Construction. We have here their bid form, signed by Jose Carloya, Authorized Managing Officer. We have here the bill of quantities. All pages signed, the detailed estimate. All pages signed. And the cash flow by quarter signed.
Thank you, Ma'am Pinky. The report the Limitless Civil Engineering Construction, based on its financial documents for 24 PG 0146 is compliant. You may now proceed with the bid offer, ma'am.
Thank you, Ma'am Jo. For the bid offer of the Limitless Civil Engineering Construction, in words, 14,885,942 pesos and 18 centavos. In figures, 14, 885, 942.18. There is no discount offered. Our last bidder, the JW Construction and Supplies. We have here the bid form, signed by John Winston DB, General Manager. We have here the bill of quantities. All pages signed, the detailed estimate. All pages signed and the cash flow by quarter signed.
Thank you, Ma'am Pinky. The report JW Construction and Supply, based on its financial documents for 24 PG 0146 is compliant. You may now proceed with the bid offer.
Thank you, Ma'am Jo, for the bid offer of JW Construction in words 14,890,709 pesos and 27 centavos. In figures 14, 709.27.
Okay, thank you, Ma'am Vicky and Ma'am Jo. So we will now proceed for the next contract ID 24 BG0147, completing at Barangay Buyasan, Katsala, at San Maria, Isabela. So I have the result now, but before it, I will read the ABC of this contract. The ABC is 9,949,991.28. So we have two bidder here in the name of YZK Builders and AGE Construction. So I have the result for their technical and financial, work experience, and MCC. For YZK, for both category, the result pass. And also for AGE Construction, the work experience and MCC for both category pass. So we can now open the financials. So only one bracket.
Is there,
147. YZK ka. 147. Okay, dalawa yung dito. So the other one did not roughly set that up. So we have only one contractor under the name of YZK. So since kung naman yun, sabi naman. So we will try to ask the reason for not grabbing the record. So we proceed.
Mr. Chair, submitting to you the original financial proposal of YZK Builders for 24 PG 0147.
Tom Leader, Vice Leader, contract ID 24BB0147. We have the form to design. We have the quantities to design. We have the price to design. We have the detailed estimate to design. And the cash flow and the cash flow to design. After review, all the pages are to design.
Thank you, Sir Ellie. Therefore, YZK Builders, based on its financial document for 24 PG 0147 is compliant. You may now proceed with the bid offer, sir.
The bid offer of YTK Builders involves 9,940,041 pesos and 12 centavos. It figures 9,940,041.12.
So, okay, thank you, Sir Erin. So we will now proceed for the other contract. Under contract ID 24BT0148, completing of Barangay Disulang Tibuluan Park to Market Road at Disulang San Maria, Isabela. So the AB, I will read first the ABC before we open the financial. So the ABC is 9,949,990.20. So we have only one bidder here or one bidder here. The AGE Construction, I have the result for their contract profile. So the technical and financial result for the financial work experience and FCC, for both category pass. So we can now open the financial for AG.
Mr. Chair, submitting to you the original financial proposal of AGE Construction for 24 PG 0148.
Okay, thank you. Second.
The financial proposal of Altagracia E. Economista. Where the original financial proposal of AGT construction, where the bid form to design, where the bid quantities to design, and the bid price to design, and the detailed estimate to design, and the cash flow by quarter to design. Where review all the pages are to design.
Thank you, Sir Eli. Therefore, AGE Construction, based on its financial document for 24 PG 0148 is compliant. Can we now proceed with the bid offers?
The bid offer of AGT construction, AGE construction is worth 9,944,056 pesos and 32 centavos. In figures 9,944,056.
So, okay. So, since we don't have yet the result for the last contract, which is the 24 BG0153. So, we will just take a pause for it. So, Sir Jun, i-check na lang. So, nandito na yung last contract ID na sinasabi ni Surgeon, wala na daw kasunod. Talagang wala. Kasi this is the last one. So, the contract profile processing, the result. But before we open the financial, read first the ABC. The ABC of this contract 24 BD0153, completing of Barangay Burgos at Alicia Isabela. The ABC is 29,850,000. 800, wala nang battery. So, please try na yung sa document. Look for it itong mga para kasi we have a record. So, the ABC is 29,850,000. So, we have 3 bidder here. 5-4. So, 3, yeah. But yung bumili ng windows natin is 4. So, if there is a reason for the other one who did not submit their financial or one, we have to look for it. So, the first is Tijera Construction. The other one is RN, JWU, and ARDJD. So I am now their technical and financial person. For work experience and MCC, for the first contractor, the Jera Construction Incorporated, for both work experience and FCC pass. And the other one is the RM Construction Supply, for work experience and MCC also pass. The third, the WU Construction and Supply, for their technical and financial. The result for their work experience and NFCC also pass. And the other one is the AREJP Construction, for work experience and NFCC also the result pass for both categories.
Mr. Chair, submitting to you the original financial proposal of GW Construction and Supply, RN Construction, and Jera Construction Incorporated for 24 DD 0153.
Sumapiki.
We have here the financial requirements of our three bidders for contract ID number 24BG0153. First, the Jera Construction. We have here the bid form signed by Jesse Racasa. We have here the bill of quantities. All pages signed, the detailed estimate. All pages signed, the summary sheet signed, and the cash flow by quarter signed.
Thank you, Ma'am Vicky. Therefore, Jera Construction Incorporated, based on its financial documents for 24 PG 0153, is compliant. You may now proceed with the bid offer now.
Thank you, Ma'am Jo, for the bid offer of Jera Construction in words 29,846,631 pesos and 81 centavos. In figures 29, 846, 631.81. There is no discount offered. Our second bidder, the Arban Construction. We have here the bid form signed by Romel and Ann, General Manager. We have here the bill of quantities. All pages signed, the detailed estimate. All pages signed, the summary sheet signed, and the cash flow by quarter signed.
Thank you, Ma'am Vicky. Therefore, our construction, based on its financial documents for 24 PG 0153, is compliant. You may now proceed with the bid offer now.
Thank you. For the bid offer of RM Construction in words 29,655,298 pesos and 44 centavos. In figures 29, 655, 298.44. There is no discount offered. Our last leader, the JWU Construction. We have here the bid form signed by John Winston Lee, General Manager. We have here the bill of quantities. All pages signed, the detailed estimates. All pages signed, the summary sheet, all pages signed, and the cash flow by quarter signed.
Thank you, Ma'am Vicky. Therefore, GW Construction and Supply, based on its financial documents for 24 PG 0153, is compliant. You may now proceed with the bid offer.
Thank you for the bid offer of JWU Construction in words 29,548,705 pesos and 81 centavos. In figures 29, 548, 705 0.81. There is no discount offered.
Okay, thank you, Ma'am Pinky, and thank you, Ma'am Kim. That ends our bidding process. So, but before we wrap up or we are going to share bidding activities, may I call the head of the secretariat, Junior Parawan, for any announcement? Yes, sir. I just want to inform the body that we will be having another meeting on the 23rd of the month. That will be next week. So this will be composed of levy of 4 civil works project and we followed by 6 civil works project bidding and then okay, so yan lang ang panso. Thank you very much, Sir John. So thank you everyone, especially the contractors representative who attended these bidding activities. So the bidding is adjourned. Thank you everyone.